5 ways to make a budget and track your projects in an automated way. How to do it? Give me a like, subscribe, and push the notification button. Once you have created your project, click on its icon to work on it. Before you create your budget, we will show you how to work with the interface. Our platform offers you a spreadsheet interface so you can feel a familiar work environment and ease its use. You can change the rows and column size by using your mouse. You go through the cells using your mouse or your arrow keys on your keyboard. You can also make a multiple selection to copy and paste data on other cells using the right mouse button or by using Ctrl-C or Ctrl-V on PC or Command-C, Command-V on Mac. Make new rows by pressing Enter on the last row or add new ones by using the Add Row button from any other place. Use the right mouse button on your PC or Ctrl plus mouse button on Mac to create rows either before or above. To delete data off cells, go to the cell or cells that you wish to clean up and press the Delete or Backspace key, or use the Clean Cell button. You can do the same if you wish to delete a selection of cells or all of the data on rows or columns. When you start working on your project, you can change the font size individually through multiple selection or by holding the Shift button plus the arrow keys on your keyboard. You can also align cell information to left, center, or right, as well as change the font to bold or modify cell or font color. If you make a mistake while you create your budgets, you have undo or redo buttons. Let me invite you to continue watching the next videos. Follow me on our social networks.